This has first red onion, then lemon, then hot dog, then marshmallows, tortilla chips, carrot, and chili things. Mmm. As again I have to say that this is like everything was new and clean. Doesn't look, but there isn't like any hydraulic oils or anything. So it's just like good ingredients and a lot of love. Okay. It's like it's really hot and slightly meaty marshmallow with some carrot. Cool with the Skittles. It's going to take quite a lot. 2 colors at the same time. Okay, this is going to take a lot. Okay, so there is now 7 packs and I think we are going to fit a little bit more. They don't pack completely tightly, there is some air between, so it's good to have like a little bit extra. And then we are going to put the plate on top and crush. Yeah, nice. Okay, there is now about 80 tons, but I think we need a little bit more to make like a really solid lollipop. Okay, that's full power. Okay, that's a thick boy. Okay, and now we have Anni doing the taste test. Can you like bite it?
This is great.
Yeah, but I think there isn't much to say. I turn the machine on and pull from the lever and the smoothie is going to go through the hose into the smoothie container. So wish me luck and here we go. Oh no! There is too much recoil on the thing, I have to add some tape. Oi perkele! Small amount of healthy smoothie. I can taste this. Anni said that she doesn't want to taste this anymore. I'm not sure why. Okay, so here it goes. And this was a tuna sandwich. This is surprisingly large clumps. Tastes just like tuna Subway. It's more like some kind of like potato salad. There is like the mayonnaise thing or whatever. Then there is quite large clumps of veggies and the sandwich itself. And we have our donut maker 5 million tool. And we are going to just load these here, like this. And these have so much air inside of them that we have to crush them multiple times. So crush, fill, crush, fill. Okay, there is now enough. It's not very thick donut at the moment, because here is the absolute end and there is the optimal donut, and we are slightly past the optimal donut, and there is about 70 tons now. I think I add a little bit more grunt to make it tighter. Oh! It's really weird.
Oh no.
Okay, the donut is split in half, and now we got the bottom half out. Hey, let's save these and then push the rest of out. Hey!
Oi!
Check! This is terrible. Okay, let's clean the table and have a look what we have done. Okay, so here is the end result, the top part and the bottom part of the donut. And this is really brittle. It's like I think we have made crushed bread.
What?
It's a bit bigger and like, no, I'm not going to fold. I crushed it a little bit more.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Was it too much? Yep, so I think that is maximum force that we can use. It's really dense now, and moment of the truth, time to eat it. Ugh. Yep, so I ate one bite and it's really dense, and I would say that one bite is equal about to 10 bites of regular bread. It takes 10 times as long to like chew it up and swallow. So I think this makes the bread more compact, but it doesn't make the eating any faster. It's like really hard work to chew it up and get it into your stomach. So good way to pack food, but doesn't help with the eating. Okay, hey, here we go. Oh no, we lost the seal. I think there is mostly zucchini at this point on the thing.
Not bad.